Morning, Adrian at Engine Carver Clean. We're in Bottisford this morning and we've got a lovely Jaguar S-Type. This one is a 2.7 V6 from 2006, this model. 89,000 on the clock. Now the owner's booked us in, recently had the DPF warning light come on, had to get a force regen done on this. There's nothing particularly obvious on the diagnostics to indicate why, other than potentially lots and lots of short journeys. He keeps the fuel level topped up, so it's not going to be down to low fuel levels. There's nothing in the diagnostics that suggests there's any issue other than potentially just a lot of short journeys. So I was going to keep an eye on that. The regen, last time we did it was 279 miles ago. It's averaging about every 400 miles on this one, so it's not in bad condition. A few bits and pieces in terms of the air conditioning system, got some faults in there to do with some of the servo motors, also the lockout on the auxiliary heater unit. Also a little bit cold while it's sat here. So the owner reckons that it gets up to the midpoint when it's driven. It's a little bit cold while it's sat here, but if it is going up to midpoint when driven, then the thermostat should be fine. Yeah, basically just needs a clean up. Bit of bass noise in this engine when we got to it, that's now gone. Lovely and crisp now. Got about another 10 minutes to go and then get this back out on the road. But yeah, everything looks good in terms of DPF regeneration. Hopefully it was just a one-off. Get the source of the dirt cleaned up now, and there'll be far less muck going into that DPF in future. Hopefully that will extend that average regeneration duration distance, and then get this running nice and sweet again.